Alright, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be watching My Cat Turned Into a Handsome Guy. We're going to watch episode 1, and if this is really good, I might watch the other episodes as well. So we're just going to get right into it. I have subtitles.
My cat turned into a handsome guy.
Okay. Oh, a little establishing shot. He didn't even know. Oh, I guess it's her own house. Oh, look at that cat go. Oh, I don't like that noise at all. Oh, that is so cute. Yeah.
Hi, sweetheart.
Hi, sweetheart. That cat, that's not how you hold a cat. How the fuck did it teleport? What the fuck? What is it? Whoa. Meow, meow, meow. Shut the fuck up. Who's the handsome guy? Oh my fucking god. Who is this? What the fuck is these sound effects? What the fuck? Nice. Good shit, good shit. Get his ass. Fucking hell. Yo, calm down. He was gonna pay for that.
You haven't paid yet.
No, but he was going to. Just chill.
Don't you love animals?
Stop. You're fucking yapping. Oh, holy shit. It's assault. It's assault. You can't do that.
Get out of here, you crazy!
You just hit a innocent. Is that the cat? I actually know. Wasn't he shirtless? Where did he get the clothes from? Oh, she's so fucking hot. Yo. Is he gonna go beat the shit out of that other cat to like get his territory? What the? Jesus.
That
Yeah.
guy's crazy.
Facts.
Let's go.
Yeah, get the fuck out of here. That guy's like mentally. What the fuck? Oh, dude. No, he ate all the food. Oh, burp. Oh, I dropped the thing. So we'll walk around in circles. Okay, I like it. I like it. Oh, have a nice relaxing time on the bench. Oh, go to sleep. So I can't sleep for 17 hours or some shit. Is he gonna get hit by a bus? Is she gonna get bullied? And the cat's gonna like... Oh no. Bruh, his hair is sick as shit.
Oh, look what we have here.
Look what we have here, some random kid. Oh dear god, that is... I don't like this, I don't... Okay, yeah, turn around.
Where are you going alone, baby?
Whoa. Is that Riz? Oh, why are they bullying a random girl?
Be good. I care about you.
What the fuck? No, now it's like sexual assault. I don't like what I'm hearing. I don't like that at all. Okay.
Violet.
You're a cat, motherfucker. What are you gonna do? Pussy. Holy shit, he's got hobs.
Don't touch her.
Facts. Oh, what's up? Fucking oh. Why didn't you do that against the other guy, bro? Yo, you're tatted up. You should be able to beat the shit out of this guy. This cat, whatever he is. He didn't even try. Yeah, pussy. Back up. Forgive me. Fucking autistic cunt. Aww.
Violet, are you okay?
Is she okay? But she's tearing up. No? Aww.
Thank you for saving me.
Well, that sounded quite happy. Please. Oh, he's hungry.
Oh, my stomach.
Yeah, no
I'm
shit.
starving.
Yeah. When did they fuck?
Let me treat you to a meal, okay?
Are you 10? How do you have the funds for that? How do you have your own house, matter of fact? Is that episode 1? Oh, I've sort of watched this shit for so long. Are they meant to be holding hands? How are they going into a restaurant? Wow.
Let's go inside.
Do they serve cat food? I feel like it's gonna have some poisonous, like, yeah, that there's no way he can eat all of that, like, without dying if he's a cat. This is bad. It's bad for people
Make
who own
yourself at
cats.
home.
You're in a fucking restaurant. What do you mean make yourself at home? That's not, you're just licking your hand, you nonce. This guy's so retarded. Chat, 1 like equals 1 cat. Shut the fuck up.
I'm full.
Okay, bye.
Let's go home.
Not everything has to be funny, bitch. Maybe you should have gone bullied by those guys.
Bye.
What do you mean bye? Isn't it the cat who lives at your house?
Bye.
What do you mean bye? What the fuck is happening? This
He's
is
still following me to protect me.
yeah, we might be retarded. Yeah, he's protecting you. Be one bodyguard, bro. Bye bye.
We've arrived at my house.
No shit. Whoa, he's gonna go. What the? Oh, does the collar like make you a cat? What the fuck? This guy's a freak.
Hey!
Hey. Go beat his ass.
What are you doing?
Go inside.
Huh? Don't you have a home?
I'm a cat, you idiot.
Should I come in through the window?
Well, okay, no, this guy's... Yeah. Alright, that facts. That goofy ass music. Why does she like beat the shit out of her door every time? Was that a metal bat? A fucking a wooden bat? Did he just almost fall up the stairs? Okay.
Come here, Violet.
What?
I want you
What?
to pet me.
What? What? He's a freak. He's a freak. What? Oh, freaking out kid, bro. Okay, that was my reaction video.